Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can enable or disable screen rotation. So as you can see in my case, the screen rotation is turned on. So when I'm going to rotate my camera, this feature is working, as you can see. So if you want to activate it or just get rid of that, you have to open Quick Panel and then, sorry guys, not this one, we have to go for this option right here, for orientation. So right now we are in the horizontal mode, and when you turn off this option, when you are going to move your camera to the different angles, it will still stay on the horizontal mode. And if you want to activate, just unselect this option and rotation will be turned on. So right now the orientation will be automatically changed. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.